Hello everyone, welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to develop this 3D model in SolidWorks. Once carefully observe the given 3D model. This 3D model is symmetrical with respect to vertical plane. That means left side portion equal to right side portion. First open SolidWorks and set the units from inches to millimeter. Once again carefully observe the given 3D model. Here one X letter is there and arrow direction there. X means observer, arrow means view direction. This is called front view. So choose extruded boss or base and select front plane. By using line tool, we need to construct this left side portion. Select line tool. So here width is 8 mm, so I am taking half of that length because this object is symmetrical with respect to vertical plane. Here also 20 mm width is there, I am taking only 10 mm. So you can start from this origin point. First draw the rough sketch. Draw horizontal line, then vertical line, then draw the slant edge, then draw the horizontal line, next draw the vertical line, next draw the horizontal line, next vertical line, then draw the horizontal line, then draw the vertical line, next horizontal line up to origin point. Now close this line with origin point. Then apply the dimensions by using small dimension. Here this width is 4 mm, 8 by 2 4 mm. Next this height is you can zoom this image. This one is 5 mm. Next you can give the dimension for this slant edge. For that purpose you can select this corner point and this corner point. This height is 12 mm. 1 2 enter. Then give the dimension to this width, that is 8 mm. Then give the this vertical edge, that is 21 mm to 1 enter. Then give the dimension to this horizontal portion, that is 15 mm, 1 5 enter. Then give the dimension to this thickness, that is 7 mm, 7 enter. Then give the dimension to this one, this is 25 mm, 2 5 enter. Then give the dimension to this one, you can zoom this image. This edge thickness is 6 mm, 6 enter. Then finally you can give the dimension to this edge. This edge dimension is 20 by 2 10 mm. Then click on enter. Okay, after this, after completion of this sketch, then click on OK, close dialog box and exit from this workbench. Now apply the thickness. Here the total width is 40 mm. Just select mid plane and enter the width 40 enter. Then click on OK. After this, the given 3D model is symmetrical with respect to vertical plane. So I'm choosing mirror tool. Expand this part 3 and select right plane. Yes, here the mirror face is right plane and features to mirror is boss or extrude one. Then click on OK. Okay, finally you got the final object. Okay, this is the way to construct any 3D model in any symmetrical 3D model in SolidWorks. I hope you enjoyed a lot in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.